digitalization is changing everything. To stay competitive, machine builders need to optimize their processes across the whole machine lifecycle. Traditional machine development follows a sequential process, from early specification through mechanical and electrical design to automation engineering and the commissioning of the machine. Today, complex problems are often detected late in the process. That pushes the product launch out farther, costs more money, and compromises the potential returns on innovation. What if there was a way to accelerate launch while minimizing costs to ensure increased revenue and extended returns on innovation? Imagine taking a mechatronics approach to design, taking advantage of all engineering disciplines from concept through to detailed design simultaneously in one digital thread. Imagine going from concept to a functional, productive machine quickly and reliably. Imagine the impact of including simulated 3D models in a bid response. Models that communicate the function of a machine in a language everybody can understand. Imagine the power of automating parts of the design process to ensure your solution is the most effective. Imagine higher quality machines at a lower cost, with fewer errors and less rework. Virtual commissioning from Siemens makes it possible to conduct machine commissioning tests early in the development phase, validating a design for its intended use by using its digital model before the physical machine is produced. This digital twin enables machine builders to try out multiple iterations to optimize their design in a virtual environment. The total time required for commissioning the actual machine can be reduced by as much as 70%. Resulting in a production process that has higher quality, reliability, and productivity. Because the process is more efficient, your ability to deliver new machines quickly gives you an edge over your competition. By adopting this technology today, you can be confident that the next machine you build will be a production machine and not a prototype. Siemens is uniquely positioned to bring together the virtual and real worlds. Our expertise covers the whole machinery lifecycle, from concept development, bid and commissioning, through to decommissioning.